This is Robin Heppel with another frequently asked question. How do I make my pre-need marketing more educational rather than salesy? First, you want to frame it around helping people prepare. You're not just trying to sell funerals. That's just part of it. But then, you know what, we do want to have we need to attract people, right? So whether we're going to have webinars or checklists or FAQs, and then you want to be the trusted advisor. You just want to be a provider or a salesperson, right? So you want people to trust you, and that's what I tell Trevor. That's why we get all these sales, because they trust me, right? But it's just kind of that approach of really being a trusted advisor, and also too, the main marketing that we do four in-house seminars a year. They're more estate seminars, and they come into the funeral home. We put 2 ads into the local newspaper. It seems to work well. Maybe it's just because of our market, and we get 65, 70, sometimes 80 people per session, which is great. Trevor would wish there'd be a little less. I'd like a little more, so we're happy with that. They can sample a bit of the food and see the nice surroundings and that, so it works really well. And I know that some people are there more for some of the estate information, but not just the funeral home information. But anyway, we're again being the trusted provider, the trusted advisor, not just a provider. To get more great insights, subscribe to the Funeral Futurist newsletter at www.funeralfuturist.com/newsletter.